Hello, students. This is Mr. Shadley, and today I am going to walk you guys through the steps on how to set up your access to Google Classroom. Now, if you've never used Google Classroom or you've never heard of Google Classroom, it's a really neat feature provided by Google. In this Google Classroom, you're going to have access to your science class and your social studies class. Inside of these two accounts, you're going to have access to all the PowerPoints you see during the day, any videos, any assignments, any quizzes, any handouts I give you. It's going to have full access for all of that stuff so you guys can use it to your convenience. And the best part about it is if you leave something at school or you forget to study for something and you have a computer and internet at home, you can log into the Google Classroom and you'll have that availability to study or prepare your homework or do whatever you need to do. Okay, so if you haven't done so already, I really need you to log into your personal Chromebooks and then go to your Gmail account. That would be your school Gmail account, not a personal one. So if you see here, I've got one similar to your guys's, shadleyt@blraiders.org. Um, if you can't even log into the Chromebook, try your username and password. They've all been resetted. It's the year you graduate, the first four letters of your last name, and the first three of your first. And that password will be the same. Once you're logged into that, it may ask you to change your password. Make sure you guys do that and make sure you change it to something that you'll remember and that you don't share with others. Once you've gotten into the Google Chrome, then your access to your email should be exactly the same as your username and password. I'm going to go ahead and log in to my student email account that I have set up through the school. So you can see that I have some emails from students of the past. What I really need you to do is up here in the right hand corner, there's a little square that has 9 little rectangles inside of it. And if you put your mouse cursor on top of it, it's going to be called the Google Apps. And we click on that, and it's going to have a bunch of different apps within that little icon there. And some of these we're going to use this year, and I'll help you set up how to do it and work through those. But if you look down here, you're not going to see any Google Classroom because you have to come down here and you have to click More. So when I click on there, there's some more apps up here. We'll use some of these apps this year. There's also these down here. Okay, here's the Google Classroom app. So if I click on that, it's going to show me some of the things that I've already been a part of. You guys should not have any unless your teachers last year set you up and gave you access to Google Classroom. So if I come up here to this little plus sign here, and I click on it, it's going to say join a class or create a class. You guys do not want to create your class. You're going to join a class. Okay, each class is going to have a specific code. So if you're in my Science A block, this is your code. All right, I'm going to highlight it, copy it, bring it over here. Should be able to paste it. Once I paste it and I click off of it, the blue button lights up blue, and I click join. Now I have access to my science classroom, and you can see there's some things in here that I've already released for you guys to look through. You've gone through some of it with Mr. Roberts, but it's there for you if you need it. Okay, we got one more class to add. If I go over here to the top left-hand corner, there's 3 lines. I click on it. If I hit classes, it's going to take me back to the screen to all the different classes that I've already signed up for. We're going to sign up for one more. So we're going to click the plus. We're going to click join class. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to go to social studies. 1 second, please. Something's not really working out for me. So I gotta re-sign back in. Gotta love the problems of technology. Give me 1 second. Be right back in there. Okay. Let's refresh this. It's all right, and then you will do the same thing for your social studies one. Okay, you're going to enter in your code, you're going to click join, and then you'll already be set up. If you guys have any questions, feel free to, in Google Classroom or through email, send me the question, and I will answer your question the best that I can. Good luck. I hope you guys enjoy using Google Classroom, and I will see you in a few days.